Fusion Capital is a private equity firm based in Nairobi, Kenya.
Originally, we were focused on microfinance, but then over time we realized there wasn't really a missing middle and started scaling up. And then in 2010, we dived into real estate.
Founded in 2006, Fusion has experienced a steady and robust growth, expanding to other cities of East Africa, namely Kigali, Rwanda, and Kampala, Uganda. Some of the great success stories of Fusion Capital are Flamingo Towers. This is a Grade A office complex located in Upper Hill, Nairobi. Kigali Heights in Rwanda is an office address and retail location of corporate and retail occupants. 4th Avenue Towers. This is a professionally designed 25-story office complex in Upper Hill, Nairobi. Monty Apartments is a modern development of executive 3-bedroom apartments constructed to the highest standards. In Kampala, Uganda, we have Goldmark Property. These are 16 luxurious apartments. Currently, they are being run as an apartment hotel with a 40-bed capacity.
We act with integrity, with honesty, we behave ethically. If we promise something, we will deliver on that promise. If there are difficulties, we'll face those difficulties honestly. We'll discuss with whoever's involved honestly. We will come to a conclusion of what we need to do about that difficulty, and we will drive it forward.
Our portfolio at the moment ranges from a small 64-unit residential apartment development in Nakuru, all the way up to the likes of Kigali Heights, 200,000 square foot mixed-use development in the heart of Kigali.
So what is it that we do as a real estate developer? So at the start of any project, we'll see ourselves as financiers, and that gives us the ability to structure the project in such a way that the returns are very clear, and then ultimately we'll take up a development role in this business to ensure that what we modeled is delivered. That's a whole process. So we have an in-house project management team, and we have a finance team or investment team. And so what we have is an in-house solution as far as structuring a business, funding it, constructing, and ultimately delivering and being able to exit.
Well, 4th Avenue stands out first and foremost because it was the first project of its nature on that area along 4th Avenue. 4th Avenue is what you call a Grade B office block. It's about 28,000 square meters. It rises to about 22 floors. The construction of 4th Avenue Towers was done at 42,000 shillings per square meter, which was quite a feat then.
Our mandate is really to find value in whatever investments we can find within the East African region. Our first rule is that we live where we invest. You can't fly in and fly out invest in this market. You have to be on the ground. And at Fusion, we develop a team in each market we invest in to deliver the projects and ensure they get delivered on time and on budget.
Fusion Capital Kenya Limited owns a subsidiary company, Fusion Investment Management Company Limited. Fusion Investment deals with funds management. This is to mean that Fusion Investment Management will pull resources from various investors and invest in a diverse range portfolio.
Basically, we do invest money raised from investors. We raise money locally and also internationally, concentrating or putting that cash mostly in alternative assets. We also do traditional asset classes, and when I say traditional asset classes, I mean fixed income, listed equities, and money markets. But mostly we concentrate our investment in the alternative asset classes.
What attracted us to invest with Fusion starting 7 years ago was the institutional approach that Fusion takes to investments. It's very clear, it is transparent, and as a fund manager, they are very available. We work together rather than them being our supplier. So many things. I think Fusion as a whole gives you a holistic solution for the fund management. It is a setup that makes a institutional investor such as us very comfortable with our investment. And like I said earlier, we don't have a supplier-client relationship as of such, but I more find us as partners working together, whether it's in Rwanda or in Kenya.
Corporate governance is key for institutions such as Fusion Capital, in the sense that we invest funds on behalf of individuals and institutions as well.
We are essentially working with funds that belong in the public domain, and we have to give assurance to the market that we are holding due responsibility and managing those funds in the way that we need to. So we have to have a very close relationship with regulators as well as shareholders, investors in the market, and give them the confidence that they require to have to continue partnering with us.
Over the period, we've done several projects. So in total, we have about 12 projects spread across East Africa, all of them at different stages, development or delivery. Our model is strictly develop and ultimately be able to exit and take your money back to the investors and then return money back into the market.
Fusion Capital endeavors to make sure that its clientele and partners are happy and satisfied.
Fusion Capital, we got in touch back in 2011 or 2012, so thereabout, and we discovered each other through the normal business networking. They were looking for a key reliable partner in Rwanda. So that's how we got together and agreed to do it. To me, Fusion Capital are my key partner. We've been together since then. We are together now, and we will be together in the future.
Between us and them, I go back to a shared vision, shared values. I think those have been, very huge benefits in terms of getting the project and getting the business environment, in Rwanda to grow.
Initially, we started with them thinking they were just simply going to provide the finance. But later, we realized that they actually did have capacity to do much more. And that much more they did is the management of the sales as well as construction. I think their project management skills came in handy.
This partnership between Optiven and Fusion Capital has enabled Optiven as an organization to grow from one level to the next, and the two companies have been able to have some good strategies. And I'm happy that Fusion Capital is able to understand our own needs as a real estate. And I'm happy to say that the partnership has been beneficial to both parties, and we can only look for the better future, of course, with the Fusion Capital. Number one, they are ethical. Number two, they are honest. They mean their word. And they are people that when you have issues, you can call them, you sit down, you talk together, and they look at a partnership. They don't look at the person looking for the finances as the lower partner. They are able to balance the partnership. And for us at Optiven, we are very excited to partner with the Fusion Capital. And we have done it. We are happy. We have no complaints. And I'm sure we shall do it again.
Monte Apartments to me was it's like a dream come true. One, because since when I was growing up, I had a dream of having my own house.
The infrastructure itself, how are people going to get in, how are people going to get out, and then do they have options? Because I just don't want to go and eat. What is my kid going to do when they're in Kigali Heights? There's a kids playing area at the far end. There's a salon. I can drink my coffee and all that when I'm seated in the salon, order a quick takeaway and all that.
We've consistently delivered high returns. We're very good with reporting to the investors. We report on a quarterly basis, but also on a need basis. But besides just investing, we also do other extras for the investors. For example, we help in liaison with tax advisors. We do help in preparation of tax returns. We live where we invest, so we know where our investments are.
Because of their diligence and hard work, Fusion Capital has been feted with several awards. In 2017, Fusion Capital won Best Used Mix Development for Kigali Heights in Johannesburg. Recently, they were awarded the Most Improved Real Estate Manager by the Real Estate Excellence in Kenya. Twice, Fusion Capital, we have won ELNET Award by Ethical Leadership in Kenya for businesses that observe ethics in delivery of services.
Fusion Capital is a good business partner.
Fusion is all about delivery. We want to be the people in the market who will deliver. And so we say what we mean what we say, and we deliver. Whether that's returns for investors or whether it's delivering a project